Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Morocco. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Morocco, a North African country bordering the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, is driven by mining, agriculture, fishing, manufacturing and tourism. Forex trading in Morocco has become much easier to get involved in over the course of the last decade. And as such, finding the right Forex broker for you can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accepts Moroccan traders. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers who allow Moroccan traders to trade in stocks, indices, binary options, CFDs, ETFs, Forex and cryptocurrencies. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. At number 4 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. Coming in at number 3, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, IC Markets specializes in offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 2 on our list is FX Pro. FX Pro is an online fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FX Pro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CYSEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FX Pro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FX Pro CTrader, and the FX Pro Trading platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a CTrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FX Pro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FX Pro. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Morocco, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Morocco on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.